Share ko lang yung nabili kong kitchen sink from Shopee. Pina-install ko to last October 2025 kasi nga luma na talaga yung dati kong sink na ginamit naman namin for 15 years. And since medyo madami na din akong problema sa sink na yon, like yung mga leak niya and bumitaw na rin yung mga tiles ng counter, kaya nag-decide na kami pa-renovate yung kitchen counter ko. So ngayon, after 9 months, eto na siya. Nung nagpa-renovate kami, nagtingin ako sa hardware ng sink and it costs 6,500 pesos. Then nakakita ko sa Shopee ng same na sink na gusto ko for only 1,500. May libre na siyang faucet and P-trap, other fittings, pero ang laki kasi ng difference sa price, and besides, mailalaan ko pa yung extra budget for tiles and under sink cabinet. So how did I maintain it looking like this for the past 9 months? As much as possible, I avoid using strong chemicals on cleaners kasi it will remove its shine. May sarili kasing shine yan. And strong cleaners, nakakatanggal ng shine na yun. And the only cleaner is just my regular dishwashing liquid. Gagamit lang ako ng wire cleaning cloth and scrub away. Daily yan. If not once a day, I do this 2 times a day or every after meals. Hindi na ako bumili ng extendable faucet because in the long run, I just thought I don't want my faucet getting loose and try fixing it from time to time. So okay na sa akin yung ganitong faucet. So after scrubbing the sink with dishwashing liquid, babasain ko lang yung microfiber towel and rinse away. So ganyan lang ginagawa ko para ma-disturb natin yung buildup of water and soap stains and maintain the shine ng sink. Cleaning every after washing the dishes will keep the sink looking clean, shiny, and free from bacteria. Mura ko lang to nabili sa Shopee para sa price niya, sulit naman na. Ang size nito ay 60 by 45 single tub, true stainless steel kaya hindi nangangalawang. Malalim din siya compared sa dati kong sink kaya mas madali nang maghugas ng kawali at saka kaldero. Kawali ko is 32 cm wide and kasyang-kasya siya. So that's it for now for my mini vlog. Doon sa mga nagre-research pa kung okay ba yung mga sink na nabibili sa Shopee, I can say this is a best buy. For someone who've been using it for 9 months, okay naman. Wala naman ako reklamo so far. Design is great. Durability by far is great as well. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!